I got a distinguished guest, two distinguished guests here. We'll try to make this fireside chat as interesting as possible. So a brief introduction. I mean, obviously the man here probably needs no introduction. But from what I have researched, he's part of the team that has received the best fund of the year at almost all the mutual funds that you've worked. Kotak, ICICI Prudential, frankly, for over the past 3 decades. So I think that itself, I think, gives him some, I mean, one clap at least for, this stupendous performance. Now, Nilesh, you've seen the evolution of the mutual fund industry, also the investor community as such. We also seen technology being imbibed by almost all industries. Specifically for the mutual fund industry, I believe AI and ML-related trends are probably not that active compared to, I mean, the human intelligence is probably said to be better here. So what's your view, and if I can have your perspective?
So, if we look at the past, maybe human intelligence and IQ was more important for generating performance. But as we move into the future, I have no option but to rely upon technology to, augment my IQ. My analyst takes on an average about 3 hours to read a balance sheet, and I'm not sure if he has read it thoroughly. Today, thanks to machine learning and XBRL language, we are able to read entire balance sheet in 2 minutes, and I'm 100% sure that every single word has been read. We are right now investing in, and my knowledge on this is very, very limited, so I'm telling you what my team has told me. But we are now investing for something known as fractal analysis. We believe if as fund manager I have to continue to manage your money, I have to deliver better return than index. And for that, this fractal analysis and quant investments will be very, very important. The third thing is related to what is known as correlation analysis and arbitrage opportunities. As an investor, you will want me to generate higher return per unit of risk taken. I can generate return with risk, but how do I optimize risk per unit how do I optimize return per unit of risk? Again, the correlation analysis and arbitrage tool which we are developing will come handy. So while my past, I survived with human intelligence, going forward, I don't see an option but to augment human intelligence with technology so that we can continue to deliver cutting-edge solution to you.
Brilliant, brilliant. Well, that was a fantastic start, Nilesh. Thank you for that. Akash, I would like to quickly come over to you. You deal fairly with a large number of industries. What's your overall perspective on the large-scale digital transformation, what's happening in India, across India?
See, if you look at the good part about the Indian corporate customers is that they are very open for adoption of new technology. And I've seen this all across. So I've handled infra, applications, cloud, mobility. In each of the areas, I've seen Indian customers very open to adoption of technology. Why? Because everyone is looking at playing a role in making sure that the overall costs are coming down, the profitability is going up, it's contribution to the business. So all CIOs today are business leaders, and a whole lot of productivity. And at the end of it, the core is the customer experience. So everyone is making sure that all the technologies that we are talking about, all these technologies are being used to make sure that there's an outstanding customer experience, which results into a digital stuff that you're using and making sure that you are able to respond to the customers pretty quickly and give them an awesome experience.